Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Guys, in today's video I'll be giving you 10 things you need in that your makeup bag. Guys, I know if you see so many makeup artists, if you see them carrying big boxes, guys, yeah, if you want to do your makeup yourself, you don't need everything in that box. Guys, you don't need everything in that box. All you need are just 10 things, and I'll be giving you the list in this video. If this is something you want to watch, you can just stick around.
Wanna be free of this heart.
As a lady, I believe you have all your skin prep products. So I'm not going to be giving you the skin prep products in this video because you are not here for skincare. You are only here to learn how to do makeup. The first thing you need is your primer. To start a makeup, like you need your primer. You need to prime your face. And for primer, guys, primer helps you to hold your makeup in place. With primer, your makeup will last longer. Guys, there are different type of primer, type of products of primer you can buy. Guys, if you are just starting, like, okay, you just want to start doing your makeup yourself, I would advise you not to spend so much money on makeup products because they tend to expire. Yes, makeup expire in case you don't know. So don't buy too much of product. Like, okay, you are trying 5 primers, you are trying 6 primers. You don't need that. People with all these makeup artists, the reason why they are always carrying big boxes is because they are working with different clients, so they need a lot of product to satisfy their customers. But for you, you know the kind of face you have, you know the kind of texture your face is, you know if you have oily skin, you know that already. So you don't have to keep packing. Okay, for dry skin, you don't need all that, guys. So just buy the one that suits your skin. Guys, the second thing you need is your foundation. Guys, yes, you are learning makeup, you need foundation. Foundation is like the basis of makeup. Before you can even start makeup, foundation is very essential. It helps to give you a full coverage, and also foundation will give you this even tone. You know, there are some faces that part will be black, part will be light, black part will be, with foundation is going to cover everything for you. So that is why you need foundation, and go for the foundation that is your color. If you are black, dark skin, go for dark skin foundation. If you're light skin, go for light skin foundation. So you don't have to buy 2 foundations, you don't have to buy 3 foundations, just buy one single foundation. So can you see you don't need that big box? With small bag, you are good to go, guys. Guys, the next thing you need, which is the top thing, is your concealer. Guys, concealer will help you to conceal your dark under eye. Yes, actually, when you put concealer, is just to highlight. Like, okay, if there is a part you want to bring forward, you want people to see, like, okay, you want to do like a tiny nose, concealer is what you need. So concealer is very important. So you need a concealer if you want to start learning makeup, especially just for your one. Guys, seriously, don't buy too much. Just buy one. One is enough for you guys. After concealer, what you need next is your setting powder. Setting powder helps you to control the oils, help us to set our face. You know, that's when they say, okay, let us bake, let us do this. That's setting powder for. So you need a setting powder in that your makeup bag. Another thing I want to add is your mirror. Guys, you need your mirror in your makeup bag. Guys, you need mirror. Even if it is a small mirror, even if it is like a medium-sized mirror. You know, you cannot compare the way the mirror, like the one you are going to hold in your palm while doing your makeup. You cannot compare the way you are going to see through it, comparing it to all this big size mirror. No, you can't. With a small mirror, like all those small makeup mirror, you'll be able to see your face and to be able to see if you are doing what you are doing right. Do you get that? So you need a mirror, please. Guys, if you're a girl like me, I like my blush. I like my blush. And I believe that blush actually hides a lot in your makeup, guys. That's just the truth. When you put blush on your face, like it elevates your makeup. It takes your makeup from being just an ordinary makeup to like a pro makeup. So that's a cheat. So you have to get your blush. Blush is that red something. It can be red, it can be orange, depending on your skin tone. So know your undertone before getting a blush. Guys, after that, what you need is your eyeshadow palette, guys. You know, we are doing makeup like a professional. Even if it's like, okay, I just want to be doing it on my own. But guys, there's this way eyeshadow just elevate our makeup. So you need eyeshadow palettes. Guys, you can buy the one that is just 8 in 1. If you are someone like me that love nude makeup, I don't need to buy all this colored color because I'm not going to use them. I love nude makeup. If you're like me that love nude makeup, just go for the one that just has like 8 shades of nude. With 8 shades of nudes, you can create up to like 100 looks, depending on how creative you are with your makeup. So it's just one palette, you are good to go, guys. With just a single palette. If you like colors, go for the one that has colors. Just go with you are the one doing this makeup for yourself. So it's not like, okay, you are attending to a client. It's not like you are doing a wedding makeup. So buy what you think you need. And don't overbuy, guys, because they are just starting, guys. Don't overbuy. Another thing you need is your mascara and your eyeliner. I'm going to put these two together because they go hand in hand, guys. You need your mascara and your eyeliner, guys. When you just want to have that, it's not every time that you'll be using lashes, most especially if you do all these individual lashes, all these ombre. But even with your natural lashes, guys, and with a mascara, guys, mascara is the game changer in your makeup bag. So you need a mascara, and also for eyeliner, to have that cat eye. That's if you actually want that. If you don't want all this cat eye, blah 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 blah, you can actually remove the eyeliner from your list. But don't forget to buy mascara, guys. What is a makeup without a lipstick? What is a makeup without a lipstick? Guys, your makeup is not complete if you don't have a lipstick. Yes, quote me anyway. Because there's this way lipstick just add flavor to our makeup. So you need a lipstick or a lip gloss, depending on the one you like. If you're a lip gloss girly or a lipstick girly, just go for the one you have. You do For someone like me who love nude makeup, why am I buying red lipstick? I know I'm not going to use it, so why am I? Even if I'm going to, there is that I might want to, guys, I'm not going to use red lipstick. You can never see me on red lipstick because that is not just me. I love my nude lipstick. So I just with one or two lipstick, and I think that's just like 1,000 naira. So with one or two, you are good to go, guys. Another thing you need is your eye pencil. Yes, you need your eye pencil, guys, to achieve that makeup. Makeup is not complete without having eye pencil. And guys, your eye pencil can actually serve as two works. It can actually serve as your lip liner and also as your to draw your eyebrow. So you need eye pencil to do your makeup. Guys, we are doing makeup. Why are you not buying powder? After applying your foundation, after applying your concealer, you need your powder to just set everything and to make everything be in place, guys. Don't buy powder palette. You don't need powder palette, guys. One single powder is enough for you as a starter, as a beginner. You don't need the powder palette. Beauty blender slash brush. Guys, you need your beauty blender, you need your brush, because why won't you use that? What are you going to use to dab your foundation? What are you going to use to apply your powder? What are you going to, all these things are just for application. So you need those things for application. So they're just like applicator. As to cap all this thing on, you need your setting spray. Guys, you cannot achieve a good flawless makeup that will last for long, even applying all this powder, primer and the likes, without a setting spray and a finishing spray. You need those spray to complete your look, guys. That is very, very important. Guys, this is going to be a very short video because yes, it's just like a beginner something, yeah, beginner class, I think. Guys, if you enjoyed this kind of video, let me know in the comment section. Guys, don't forget to like this video, comment and subscribe. And guys, if you are just seeing my face for the very first time, my name is Becca, and Becca is a YouTuber based in Badon, Nigeria. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I will see you in my next video, but till then, stay blessed. Bye. Mwah.